Hi, my name's Justy. I am one of the owners here at Colorado Lawyer Team, and I supervise the Family Law Division. So in this video, I'm actually going to list a couple of things that are relevant to our family law clients, specifically things that you should not do if you are involved in a child custody case. First things first, don't speak negatively about the other party in front of the kids. If you're bad-mouthing each other, it's never going to end well. Second thing, don't put your children in the middle. That means you don't want them to be the messenger between you and the other parent. If you're having difficulty communicating amicably with the other party, you can use apps such as Talking Parents. You can try to limit your conversations to what's just necessary about your children. You can ask that they email or text so you have a written trail of communication. Talking Parents and other parenting apps are really helpful because it means that if you retain an attorney, you can actually download all of the correspondence without having to get screenshots or having text messages be deleted. Whatever you do, don't communicate on Snapchat. 3, do not stalk your ex. Don't go by their house. Don't try to intimidate them. Don't call to check up on them. Don't talk to their coworkers, boss, even their family members. Like sometimes it's better just to have a little bit of space and some cooling off time while you're going through these difficult family law situations. 4, do not refuse visitation or refuse to follow court orders about child custody if custody and visitation have been ordered. If you're having problems with the parenting schedule, you can file a motion to modify that schedule and let the court know that it's become difficult or impossible to comply with that order. But don't make your own choice just not to follow the court orders. If it's not working and you need to change it, the best way to do it is to go formally through the court. Otherwise, you or even the other party could be risking contempt if things go downhill later. 5, don't misuse drugs or alcohol during your parenting time. That is the number one thing that CFIs and other experts frown upon. We know it's difficult, right? Sometimes you're self-medicating. This is a difficult time, but be very cautious of imbibing any sort of substance, including alcohol, during your visitation with your kids. Number 6, do not refuse to cooperate or co-parent with the other parent. Remember, it's always about what's in the best interest of your kids. You guys may not be getting along, but your kids don't deserve to suffer for that. And 7, do not make false allegations about the other party in an attempt to get a leg up in the custody case. So things like trying to retaliate by making criminal allegations. If there's a protection order involved, trying to make allegations that the protection order has been violated when it hasn't, or when it's a borderline situation. If you need advice about whether you should report something that's a minor violation to the police, you can definitely talk to your attorneys, but also just be aware that sometimes, unless it's a serious violation, it can be seen as retaliatory in the divorce court. Not to say that you shouldn't call the police if there are major issues or even minor issues that add up. Definitely that's important, and you need to protect yourself first and foremost. But be cautious about making any sort of allegations that could be seen as retaliatory or even maybe stretching the truth a little bit. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions in any way that our office can help you, and well, if you have any questions at any time, just give us a call, and that's probably the best way to get free legal information about your case. And if you wanted to do legal advice, we can definitely do a paid consult or even help you with your case. We look forward to helping you navigate this difficult situation in the future.